सर, देखिए जितना मेरा आप लोग इंसल्ट करना चाहते हैं आप खुशी से करिए, आप रोज करिए, मगर एक बात मत भूलिए, जाति जनगणना को हम यहां पास करके दिखाएंगे। धन्यवाद। जितना इंसल्ट करना है करिए।
That the matter of caste census should be considered in the cabinet. A group of ministers was formed to consider this subject. Most of the political parties had recommended caste census.
बिहार असेंबली इंतखाबात से पहले मरकजी हुकूमत ने ऐलान किया कि आइंदा मरदमशुमारी में ज़ात पात की गिनती शामिल की जाएगी। ये फैसला वज़ीर आज़म नरेंद्र मोदी की सदारत में काबीना की सियासी उमूर कमेटी CCPA ने किया है। यूनियन वज़ीर अश्विनी वैष्णव ने इस फैसले का ऐलान करते हुए बीजेपी मुखालिफ रियासतों ख़ास तौर पर बिहार, तेलंगाना और कर्नाटक पर इल्ज़ाम लगाया कि उन्होंने गैर शफ़ाफ ज़ात पर मबनी सर्वे करके समाजी उलझन पैदा की है, लेकिन मरकज़ी हुकूमत की मरदमशुमारी शफ़ाफ तरीक़े से की जाएगी। वैष्णव ने दावा किया कि आज़ादी के बाद से कांग्रेस हुकूमतों ने हमेशा कास्ट सेंसस की मुखालिफत की है और इसे सिर्फ सियासी फ़ायदे के लिए इस्तेमाल किया है। 2011 की समाजी और इक़्तिसादी और ज़ात पात पर मबनी मरदमशुमारी SECC वाहिद मिसाल है जब तमाम ज़ातों की गिनती की गई थी।
Congress governments have always opposed caste census. Caste was not included in all the census operations conducted since independence. In 2010, then Prime Minister late Dr. Manmohan Singh ji had assured the Lok Sabha that the matter of caste census should be considered in the cabinet. A group of ministers was formed to consider this subject. Most of the political parties had recommended caste census. Despite this, Congress government decided to conduct only a survey of caste instead of a caste census. That survey is known as SECC. It is well understood that Congress and its Indie alliance partners have used caste census only as a political tool. As per Article 246 of the Constitution of India, the subject census is listed at 69 in the Union list in 7th schedule. According to Constitution of India, census is a union subject. Some states have conducted surveys, I am repeating the word, surveys to enumerate castes. Some states have done this well, while some others have conducted such surveys purely from a political angle in a non-transparent way. Such surveys have created doubts in the society. Considering all these facts and to ensure that a social fabric is not disturbed by politics, caste enumeration should be transparently included. I am emphasizing the word transparently included in the census instead of surveys. This will strengthen the social and economic structure of our society while the nation continues to progress. Under the leadership of our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, the Cabinet Committee of Political Affairs has decided today, that is 30th April 2025, that caste enumeration should be included in the forthcoming census. This demonstrates that our government is committed to the values and interests of our society and country. Like in the past, when our government had introduced 10% reservation for the economically weaker sections of the society without causing any stress in any section of the society. Thank you.
मरकज़ी वज़ीर दाखिला अमित शाह ने इस फैसले को समाजी मसावत और मरहूम तबक़ात को बाइख्तियार बनाने की सिमत एक कदम करार दिया है। उन्होंने कांग्रेस पर इल्ज़ाम लगाया कि इस मसले पर तवील अरसे तक कांग्रेस ने मुखालिफत की है। दूसरी तरफ कांग्रेस के जयराम रमेश ने कहा कि देर आए मगर दुरुस्त आए हैं, जबकि राहुल गांधी ने कहा कि हमारी तरफ से मुसलसल दबाव के बाद हुकूमत ये कदम उठाने पर मजबूर हुई है। उन्होंने मज़ीद कहा कि अब हम चाहते हैं कि हुकूमत मरदमशुमारी की तारीख का ऐलान करे और 50% रिजर्वेशन की हद भी ख़त्म करे। कर्नाटक के नायब वज़ीर आला DK शिव कुमार ने इस फैसले का खैर मकदम करते हुए कहा कि मरदमशुमारी हमेशा खुश आइंद होती है क्योंकि इससे पॉलिसी साजी में मदद मिलती है।
As far as the census report is concerned, Karnataka government welcomes it. Already my leader Shri Rahul Gandhi also has welcomed it. We want to claim from it. Congress party is committed to do social justice to every section of the society. Whoever may be, whatever may be, whichever caste they may be, their data should be available to the public, and they are also to be convinced their rights has to be established in a systematic way. Congress governments are committed to cooperate with the system. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಯಕರಾದಂಥ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿಯವರು ಇದೇ ವಿಚಾರ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಇದು ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಜಾತಿ ಜನತೆ. ಆ ಒತ್ತಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಅವರ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯವನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನ್ಯಾಯವನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವರ ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಮದರ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಮೂಲ ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತ, ಬೇಡಿಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಯಾರೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಥರದ ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಒತ್ತಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
नेशनल सेंसस जो 2020 में होना था कोविड-19 वबा के बायस न हो सका और ताहाल कोई नई तारीख मुकर्रर नहीं की गई है.
Yesterday, the government of India has taken a decision to conduct the Caste Census in the country, along with the census, along with the next census. I congratulate Sri Rahul Gandhi for his commitment for the social justice. That since 2 years he has been demanding Government of India to take up the caste census at the national level. Is also instrumental to include in the manifesto of Congress party in the last election, Assembly Parliament election, is instrumental this caste census to be included in the manifesto. All along, since 1925, the RSS, BJP and Janasangha, they have been opposing socio-economic caste census on the ground that Congress party has been creating and they are creating struggle between the two communities. Caste in our social system, caste is a reality. You can't forget the caste. Through caste only, we will have to achieve the equality in the society. Otherwise, the inequality in the society among various castes will be continued. In order to bring about a change in the society, in order to bring about an equality in the society, in order to eradicate the caste system in the society, we have to conduct socio-economic and educational survey. That is, in other words, it is caste census. Caste is a reality. Those who are telling that the caste census is not correct in the interest of the secularism, it is not totally, they are castes are telling like this. The castes are advocating like this. So, I welcome the decision taken by the, at last, the Government of India has taken a decision to conduct the caste survey in the country along with the census.
Sir,
So there are two things. There are two things, sir. One is caste census. When the central government is saying that without announcing the date, they are saying we will go ahead with the caste census. How state government will look at it? Another one, when you are saying socio-economical and educational survey in Karnataka, will the state government stay intact with this? And what is your proposal to the central government after that, sir?
No. See, we have already conducted socio-economic survey or caste census. It is placed before the cabinet. I have asked all the ministers to give their opinion in writing by the next cabinet meeting. They have agreed to give their opinion in writing, and second is our next cabinet meeting day. But unfortunately, the cabinet meeting could not be held on 2nd because I will not be in station. I am going to Srirangpatna because there is a function in Srirangpatna, Taluk constituency. So 9th, we are going to hold the cabinet meeting. By the time all ministers will give their opinion, we will discuss it in the next cabinet and we will take some decision.
Your proposal to the center, sir?
See, it is because in order to remove the ceiling,
50%.
because 50% ceiling is there, to recommend to the Government of India, because the committee headed by Mr. Jayaprakash Hegde and Kalpraj, they have suggested 51% reservation to the backward communities. So, Government of Karnataka has no power to amend the Indian Constitution.